Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to turn on this XIAOMI kettle. As you can see, it's already plugged into power, and make sure that there's water on the inside. To insert water, basically press on this button. You can remove the kettle and insert water from the top. Now close the lid and put it on the station, on the base. It will display the current temperature of the water. In my case, it's 20 degrees Celsius. And now I can simply either set a desired temperature. You can see from 40 degrees up to probably 100. Let's see that. Up to 90, or I can click on boil. If I want to set a desired temperature, then I can set it, let's say 70, click on keep warm, and it will start doing it. Keep warm is the button on the left side of the dial. Now, when I click on it again, I'll pause it, and when I click on boil, it will start achieving 100 degrees Celsius, which is the boiling point of water. As you can see, it begins, and when it's finished, it will let you know. I'll actually stop it, and I'll do just keep warm at 40. So let's set 40, and you'll see how it looks when it's finished. And as you can see, the ring lights up in the color blue and it beeps. Now it's done. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.